In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add multiple cameras for Restream. So as you can see right now, I'm in my Restream studio, and here, if I click on this camera icon, as you can see, we can only select a single camera. So to add multiple camera or webcams to your Restream, you have to use our encoder app. So let's go to our OBS studio. Once you are in your OBS studio, under sources, click on this plus icon and select video capture device, and click on this device drop down and select your first camera or webcam. That's all. Go ahead and add your first camera. And to add your second camera, again under sources, click on this plus icon, select video capture device, and the same way go ahead and add your multiple cameras as a source. For tutorial purpose, as you can see, I've added dummy 3 webcams. Now let's see how to stream all of these sources to my Restream. So first of all, go back to your OBS studio and click on start virtual camera. Once the virtual camera is started, go back to your Restream, and from Restream live dashboard, click on this arrow icon next to your video camera device, and here you have to select OBS virtual camera, and then your OBS all sources will be shown in your Restream. Now all you have to need, just click on go live or start streaming. Then OBS sends your multi-camera setup to Restream, and Restream distributes it to Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, etc, etc. So this is how you can actually add multiple webcams or cameras to our Restream. Thanks for watching.